how do we find the best people to join our practice who are going to fit in and be long-term hires for our practice. These are the people who we can build a business around, because when we look to grow, you want to get to your third, your fourth, your fifth practitioner if you're small, or, it might be your 15th or whatnot, but the fundamentals remain the same. We need people who will join, stay, help to evolve and progress the culture of the practice, and add to the vibe, add to the quality of what we're producing, and continue to drive our business forward as well. So it's a high bar you've got to set, but just because you're a small business doesn't mean you have to surrender to the only applicant you can get. And there's some real key secrets I'm going to share with you guys through this course as to how I was able to manage to recruit some of the best people, even though my practice was 40 minutes out from the CBD. Find the best people you can, get them into your business as soon as possible, and watch how quickly it grows when we focus on the people itself. Cheers.